Hi everybody, this is my first YouTube video in English. Hope you guys can understand it, and I hope you will like my video. Thank you. Please continue to watch my video. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair this Panasonic water heater water leaking problem. According to customer, this water heater having water leaking problem from here, should be around here, but I cannot promise I can repair it, but I will try to see and try to solve the problem. So the first thing, we have to put some water in and see where is the part having water leaking problem. Okay, so let's try to put some water pipe in first. So this is the water inlet, this is the water outlet. Don't put in the wrong side. Okay, so I have fixed one hose water pipe in here. So let's turn on the knot. Okay, you can see from this part here, there's water leaking here out. So I will try to fix to prevent water leaking out from here. Okay, let's stop the water. So how to fix this? Let's see. Okay. After I fix the water leaking problem, there should be no water leaking out. So now I open the water tap. So as you can see, there is no longer water coming out from here. So let me off the water first. Okay, so how do I fix it? I just use this water white tap to cover the thing here. Here you see there is some still white color here. Okay, that means I use this water tap to cover it and fix it and adjust this thing a bit. So now water won't leak already. But my advice is, better don't repair your water heater. You don't know what will happen next. It is a bit dangerous when you taking bath, when you taking shower. So it is better don't repair your water heater. This is my advice. Better buy the new one, fix it for safety reason. Okay, that's it. This is my video, and this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you can subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.